I live with my family in a house. I live with my family in a house. We are 5 people. We are 5 people. My father, my mother, my 2 sisters and me. My father, my mother, my 2 sisters and me. My father is a doctor. My father is a doctor. He helps sick people. He helps sick people. My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. She teaches small children. She teaches small children. My sisters are student. My sisters are student. They go to school every day. They go to school every day. I am a student too. I am a student too. We love our home. We love our home. It is a happy place in the morning. It is a happy place in the morning. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. My mother makes eggs and bread. My mother makes eggs and bread. My father reads the newspaper. My father reads the newspaper. My sister and I talk about school. I do homework. I do homework. My mother helps us. My mother helps us. My father cooks dinner. My father cooks dinner. I watch TV or play games. I watch TV or play games. My sister like to draw. My sister like to draw. We say good night. We say good night. We go to sleep in our room. We go to sleep in our room. My family is very important to me. My family is very important to me.